In this video, we are going to walk through the release points section where you'll be detailing the emission release points at your facility as outlined in your air quality permit. On this screen, you will see a list of emission release points already associated with the facility. To add a new emission release point, select the Add button at the bottom right corner of the screen. To begin, we will add a unique emission unit identifier. This identifier should be consistent with the emission point number found in the facility permit. Then we'll select the type of emission stack and an emission point description. If the unit is operating, you can leave it as the operating status, or you can choose if it is temporary or permanently shut down. If it has been shut down, you need to include the date that has been shut down in this box here. The next step is to add the stack height for the emission release point, stack shape and diameter. Then we'll include the exit gas temp and an exit gas flow rate. If you enter the exit gas flow rate in, the system will automatically calculate the exit gas velocity for you. The next step is to go to the location tab. For larger units, you will be required to use stack-specific coordinates. If this release point is associated with a smaller unit at your facility, you have the option to select the facility coordinates, which will hide the rest of the fields. However, with this being a larger unit, we are going to use stack-specific coordinates. So we will enter the latitude and longitude, and in the facility, we'll automatically calculate the UTM. Now that we have filled in everything on the release point screen, we can click Save, and it will check for any errors. And it says that we have successfully entered a new emission release point. And now you can see our list of release points has now been updated with the Engine 2 information.